Today we will talk about calculation of areas. So whenever we need to calculate a particular area, the shape of the plot may be regular or irregular, just like this example here. The shape of this plot, you can see the shape of this plot is very irregular. So through simple geometrical formulas we cannot find out the area of this plot. So what we do, suppose we have found out, if we have plotted a particular rectangle in the middle of this area. So it is very easy to calculate the area of this rectangle by geometrical formula, that is length into breadth. By multiplying length by breadth, we can find out the area of this particular rectangle. But what about these portions? This portion here, this portion here, this portion here, this portion here. What about the portions? There is no formula which can give us the area of these portions. So we need to adopt a method that is called perpendicular offset method. In that method, what we do here, if we look at this closely, we have chosen some intervals. Suppose those intervals are of 10 meters. 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. So we have chosen these intervals. And from each and every 10 meter point, we have drawn perpendicular offsets. From each and every 10 meter point, we have drawn some perpendicular offsets right to the very edge of this plot. Okay, right to the very edge of this area, we have drawn some perpendicular offsets. And by measuring these perpendicular offsets, we can calculate the area of this irregular portion. And for that, we have two formulas actually. One is called trapezoidal formula and the other one is called Simpson's rule. So by perpendicular offsets, by taking perpendicular offsets and through these two formulas, we can calculate areas of irregular shapes. Okay. So now we'll try to learn what are these terms are all about. A means area. D is the interval at which the offsets are taken. Here the interval is 10 meter. After every 10 meter we are taking offsets. So D in this case is 10 meters. Now O1 plus ON divided by 2. That's O1 means these are all offsets. These are all offsets. Offset 1, offset 2, offset 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So length of this offset, O1 means the first offset and ON means the last offset. Okay. So the length of first offset plus the last offset divided by 2 plus some of the other ordinates. So O1 and ON are the first and last offsets plus some of the other offsets. Okay. Then let's come to Simpson's rule. D again is the interval. O1 is the first offset. ON is the last offset plus 2 into sum of the odd offsets. Odd offsets means we cannot count the first offset because we have already taken the first offset. So odd means it will start from 3, 5, 7. And if the last one is also odd, then also we cannot take the last one because we have already taken the last one. So 3, 5, 7, it goes like that. Plus 4 into sum of the even ordinates. That means 2, 4, 6, 8. It will go like that. Okay. Things will be more clear when we do some numericals. So let us try and solve this problem. So these are find the area of the plot from the following datas. These are the serial numbers. And these are the intervals. As you can see, the intervals are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So the intervals are taken at 5 meters apart. So what will be D here? D is 5 because the interval is 5 meters apart. Okay. And these are the offsets. At 5 meter chain is offset is 0. At 10 it is 6. At 15 it is 7. 20, 11, 25, 13. These are the values of the perpendicular offsets, and these are given in meter. Intervals are also in meter. So we'll try to calculate the area of this plot by means of trapezoidal rule as well as Simpson's rule. Let us first try trapezoidal rule. I have written down the formula here. So what is D? D is already, as I have told you, D is 5. Okay. Offset 1. What is offset 1? Offset 1 is 0. Okay, so offset 1 is 0 plus ON. ON means the last offset. What is the last offset? Is 11. 0 plus 11 by 2, okay, plus some of the other ordinates. So 0 we have already taken and 11 we have already taken in this. So the sum of the other ordinates, okay, 6, 7, 11, 13, 17, 20 and again 13. So this is the problem, and we can easily calculate the value of this. So ultimately we have got the result to be 462.5 meters square. And now let us try and solve this problem by means of Simpson's rule. So this is the Simpson's rule for you. Again, D is 5 because the interval is 5. So D is 5 by 3. Okay. And one more important thing, Simpson's rule will be applicable only when there are odd number of ordinates. When there are odd number of offsets, then only it will be applicable, and it is more accurate than the trapezoidal rule. Okay. So the sum of first offset plus the last offset. What is the first offset? First offset is 0 and the last offset is 11. So 0 plus 11 plus 2 into sum of the odd ordinates. What are the odd ordinates? First one we cannot take because we have already taken. What is the third one? We need to take 7, then 5. Okay, third ordinate is 7, fifth ordinate is 13, seventh ordinate is 20, ninth ordinate we cannot take because we have already taken here. So what we need to take here? 3, 5 and 7. 3 is 7, 5 is 13 and 7 is 20. So 7 plus 13 plus 20, okay, plus 4 into this sum of the even ordinates. Okay, sum of the even ordinates, that means the second one is 6. Fourth one is 11. Sixth one is 17. Sixth one is 17. So 17. Eighth one is 13. So 13. That's it. And the result we have got as 465. The same area we have got here by means of trapezoidal rule is 462.5, and the slight difference here. The results cannot be the same. Sometimes it might be the same, but in most of the cases, in both the rules, if we apply both the rules, the areas you will find for the same problem will be a little bit different. So here we have found out 462.5, and here we have found out to be 465. Okay.